I'm Basvesh. Interrogative sentences as a part of transformation of sentences. Interrogative sentences are used to make inquiries. They are used to get an answer. They begin with either an auxiliary or a WH word. They end with a question mark. Examples: Are you a student? Is he going to Bengaluru? Where did you keep it? What's your name? There are two types of questions. Number one, auxiliary questions or yes or no questions. Number two, WH questions. Auxiliary questions. Examples: Is he a teacher? Are you a student? Do you like it? Have you completed your homework? Has he come? Was it heavy? Were you not there? Do you meet him? Did you meet him? The answer to all these questions will either be yes or no. WH questions. WH questions are asked with the help of a WH word. WH words are who. Example: Who is your best friend? Why? Why do you fail in the examination? Why did you fail in the examination? When? When did you join the school? Which? Which of them is good? Where? Where did you find it? What? What are you doing? How? How are you? How are your parents? Changing assertive sentences into interrogative sentences. He lives in Madurai is an assertive sentence. If you want to make it or change it into an auxiliary question, you have to make use of an auxiliary. That is, you can use a be verb or a do verb or have verb. If you use do verb, it will be like, does he live in Madurai? This is yes or no question. Does he live in Madurai? If you want to ask a WH question, it will be like, where does he live? Here, look at the use of do form. In the sentence, he lives in Madurai, we don't have an auxiliary. We require an auxiliary either to ask an auxiliary question or a WH question. Since the verb in the sentence is in present tense, The subject is third person singular. Therefore, the verb used has yes with it. Now, when we use a do form, we have to shift that s to the auxiliary. When you shift that s to auxiliary do, it becomes does. Does he live in Madhugiri? Does he live in Madhugiri? Does he live in Madurai? Here again, the yes that was with the main verb is shifted to do form. Therefore, the main verb loses yes and it will be written in its present tense form or in its original form. Does he live in Madhugiri? Where does he live? Here again we have used does as auxiliary so that live will be written in its present tense form without yes. Shweta wants to buy a dress. Shweta wants to buy a dress. Wants is in present tense. Again, Shweta is third person singular. Therefore, we have to make use of a do form with yes. Then it will be does. Does Shweta want to buy a dress? Please note, don't add yes again to the main verb because you have already shifted yes to the auxiliary. There is no need, it will be an error if you add yes again to the main verb. Does Shweta want to buy a dress? What does Shweta want to buy? What does Shweta want to buy? He feels lonely. He feels lonely. Auxiliary question would be like, does he feel lonely? WH question, how does he feel? All these three examples cited above are in present tense. So now you know how to change an assertive sentence when its verb is in present tense into an interrogative sentence. Thank you.